Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you all a quick and easy waffle recipe. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. We're starting off this recipe with our egg. I'm making a small batch so you can double and triple this if you like. In goes sugar, and we're going to mix this until the sugar dissolves. You can also use a whisk if you don't have a hand mixer. Now once it comes together and the sugar dissolves, we're going to add in butter and milk. And give that a mix. Just mix until it's incorporated. And then we'll add in our dry ingredients. Continue to mix, but you don't want to over mix. Just mix it until it comes together. You don't want to let the gluten form in the batter. So a quick mix, and then you scrape down on the sides of your bowl. And I'm also going to be going in with some vanilla essence. So I'm adding in my vanilla essence. You can use any one you want. You can use almond, any flavor that you have or mixed, and give that a mix. Now all we have to do is pour this out into our waffle maker. I'm using the Redmond waffle maker. If you all are interested in the one that I use, I'll link it in the description box for you all. This makes some really nice thin waffles. I don't like my waffles to be too thick. And there's the red and green light. When it's finished, it's green. When it's ready, it's red. So you're going to ladle. I have a small ladle, so 2 ladles on each side. You don't want to overfill it because it can leak out on the side. Close it down and allow it to cook. Once it's finished, it will turn green, and then you open it and look how perfect. Now if you wanted them to be extra crisp, you can let it cook longer. And I'm going to continue making the rest. This recipe makes a 6, and you can see how thin it was. It's nice and thin. That's how we like it. Depending on which brand of waffle iron you use, you will get a different thickness. And that's it. How easy was it to make waffles? Really, really easy. You see, the batter was very similar to pancake batter. My son really enjoyed it. It was light and fluffy on the inside. I'm going to cut into one so you guys can see. Now the thicker you make them, of course the fluffier it's going to be, because there's more space for it to rise. But look how thin these are. And as I said, we prefer it thin, like how when you make pancakes, thin pancakes. So with this machine that I have, I just want to share this with you all. The plates can be removed, both the top and the bottom plates, and we have the panini plate or grill plate, and it also comes with a sandwich plate so you can make grilled cheese. And I'm only removing the bottom, but both sides can be removed, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Comment, let me know what you think, and the information for the waffle iron is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.